How to fix battery drain on iOS 26. Okay, the first thing that you can do is to force restart your iPhone to refresh the cache memory. So what you want to do is press on the volume up, then let go, and then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button or the power button. So let's do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold on the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So continue to hold, and continue to hold. Now let's go off the button, and the cache memory should be refreshed. So therefore, if there is any issues or any bug within the cache memory, it will be clear, and your phone battery should be improved. Okay, the next thing that you can do is to update all the apps from the App Store. So here we go to App Store. So here it is. So open up App Store. Once the App Store loaded, tap on your account and then go down, and you can see here there are some apps that can be updated. Now the idea is to update all the apps so that it is optimized for iOS 26. So some of this app could have been re-updated so that it is now more compatible with iOS 26. So tap on the Update All button and allow it to finish. The next thing that you can do is to review your background app refresh. So here if we go into Settings, and then we scroll down and tap on, so we go down here, we want to find privacy and security, and in here if we tap on background app refreshed, okay, it is in general, so we go back in general and we go down and tap on background app refresh, and tap on background app refresh. In here you can either select off or select Wi-Fi only, and if you select off, that will turn off all the apps running on the background. Otherwise you can choose Wi-Fi. Here you can also go down the list and review all the apps and turn off the apps that doesn't really need to be running on the background. So all these apps here running on the background to pull the data in and refresh the data. Some of the apps doesn't really need to do that, so you can simply switch them off so that you can save the data, or save the data as well as saving your battery. So turn it off. So go through the list here and review any apps that doesn't need to be run in the background, and simply tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Next you want to go into Settings, and in Settings we go down and tap on Battery. Now look at this graph here and review any of the apps that is using up a lot of battery. Now if there are any apps that is using a lot of battery and you are not really using up the app, you can either remove it for good, or you can simply remove it and reinstall the app. So here, so if you have installed certain apps such as a game app, you can touch and hold and then tap on remove app, and then tap on delete app to delete it from your device, because having them using up the battery either on the foreground or on the background, and if you are not using it, it can take up your battery power. So just delete them. Next, go to your home screen and review any of the unnecessary widgets on the home screen. Widgets on the home screen can use up batteries on the background. So if you are not really using those widgets, or if they are not necessary to be placed on the home screen, you can simply remove it. So touch and hold on the widget and then tap on remove widget, then tap on removed. So scroll across your home screen pages and delete any widgets that you are not using. The next thing that you can check and review are location services within Settings. So here we go into Settings, and then we scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. In here tap on Location Services. Now scroll down the list of apps and turn off any apps that is using location services. Or you can go to the top and turn off location services altogether. So tap on turn off. Now later on, if you are using any app that requires the use of location services, it will show a prompt asking you to turn it on, at which point you can choose whether to turn it on or not. Here, if I turn it on, I can go down and review all the individual apps. Say, for example, this one here, Canon Print. If I do not want to allow it, I can simply select never, or ask next time when I share. So go down the list here and review all the apps, and if there are apps that is using location services such as Pokemon Go, you can go in here and select never, and that's it. So either turn off location services or simply set the app to not allow using location services. Next, you can go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on general, then tap on software update. Now in here, make sure you have the latest software update. If not, try to download and install the latest software update. Now with a new update, sometimes it can fix bugs or battery issues, so you want to make sure it is up to date. And if you have recently updated your iOS to iOS 26, give your iPhone a few days to settle. During this time, it reorganizes data and performs background indexing, which can temporarily cause high battery usage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any issues or if you want to have any input, please leave them in the comment section.